Well, the last Liftronic
Going up.
at QUT Kelvin are now gone. Well, the last older Liftronics are gone. These were here last time, but now they're replaced with Gen2s. I knew this would happen since the other ones were replaced pretty recently last time I came, but still sad. These are good, well-built cap Gen2s, actually decent Gen2s. Not fixture-wise, they're pretty boring, but good.
Going up.
Why aren't they charging for me?
Going down.
$1,600 kilograms, 23 persons. This is QUT Creative Industries. Has a
First floor.
see if I can get the other one.
Going up.
Yeah. Come on, please chime for me. At least once. Well, there's a chime. Nope. Thanks
Going
for that. It's four. It's for one little road, I guess. There's only one electronic left, which is the glass one outside.